Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, someone might find themselves in a situation where their trusty DJI Mavic Pro has taken a bit of a tumble, or perhaps the gimbal has just started acting up. A common point of failure on these drones, unfortunately, can be the gimbal assembly itself, specifically the motor arm or the delicate flex cable that runs through it, often referred to as the PTZ line. When that happens, the camera might hang limply, the horizon might be tilted, or you might get various gimbal errors. Replacing the entire gimbal can be quite costly, but often, only specific components are damaged. That's where a part like this comes in handy. What we're looking at is a replacement gimbal camera motor arm bracket with cover and the crucial flex cable, designed specifically for the DJI Mavic Pro. This isn't the whole gimbal, nor is it the camera itself, but rather the structural arm that holds the camera and contains the wiring needed for it to function and communicate with the drone. It includes the main motor arm bracket, the small cover that often sits over the motor or wiring, and the vital flex cable. For someone attempting a repair, having a genuine or high-quality replacement for these specific parts is absolutely essential. The motor arm can break if the drone impacts something, and the flex cable is notoriously fragile. Repeated folding and unfolding of the drone's arms, or even just wear and tear over time, can cause the internal wires within the flex cable to break or short-circuit. When that happens, the gimbal loses its ability to stabilize, pan, or tilt correctly, and sometimes the video feed is lost entirely. Replacing this part is not a task for the faint of heart or someone without experience in delicate electronics repair. It requires carefully disassembling a significant portion of the gimbal, disconnecting tiny connectors, and meticulously routing the new flex cable without damaging it during installation. The flex cable, in particular, needs to be handled with extreme care. Bending it too sharply or creasing it can render it useless before the repair is even complete. However, for someone with the right tools, patience, and technical skill, replacing just the damaged arm and cable can be a much more affordable solution than sending the drone in for professional repair or buying a completely new gimbal. This replacement part provides the necessary components to address those specific types of damage. It allows the user to restore the structural integrity of the gimbal arm and, more importantly, re-establish the critical electrical connection between the camera and the drone's main board via the new flex cable. Getting the gimbal working correctly again is paramount for capturing stable, usable aerial footage, which is, after all, the primary purpose of a drone like the Mavic Pro. Having access to these specific repair parts means that a damaged gimbal doesn't necessarily spell the end for the drone or require a very expensive fix. It empowers the user or a local repair shop to target the problem area directly, potentially saving a significant amount of money and getting the drone back in the air where it belongs. It's a key component for anyone looking to perform a detailed repair on a damaged Mavic Pro gimbal.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.